Hey guys, this is Future and welcome to our videos. In this video, I will show you how to download VMware virtual machine. Okay, in previous video, many people saying ki please upload how to download a VMware virtual machine and any virtual machine. So in this video, I will show you how to download a VMware virtual machine and one thing I will say in this video. I'm not install any operating system in virtual machine. In coming video, I show you how to install a operating system in virtual machine. But in this video, I will show you how to download a virtual machine only. Okay. So firstly, what you want? Currently, you go on any browser you have. So I have this browser. So search Google. Then search for VMware virtual machine. Okay, so like you search download VMware virtual machine. Okay, so I write this. So I write this VMware virtual machine, and here you see this download VMware Workstation 14.1.1 Pro file. Okay, click on this link. Okay, click on this link. So click on this link. I will also provide this link in my description down below. So go on description. I am giving a link of this setup. Okay, so this is VMware Workstation Pro. Click on there, download free. You want to read all things, so here you read all things about how this work and VMware Workstation. So click on this download free version, and he was loading because my net is a little bit slow, not a very slow. So this is load, and okay, you see this downloading 4.465 MB. This is not a huge, but also this is not a small. Okay, so this is the VMware you want to download. I will click on a start download. You have you have a IDM internet download manager, then you download this internet download manager. So I am downloading. You see this is a downloaded, downloading, not downloaded. So this method to how to download a VMware virtual machine, one time I will also revise. Okay, so please, okay, first of all, what you will do, type Google, search Google. In Google, type download VMware virtual machine. Okay, to write this. Write this, and after write this, you see this download VMware Workstation 14.1.1 Pro. Click on this link, and after that, you click on download free version, and after clicking on download, you wait only 20 seconds. He was download automatically. Okay, so okay, here is he. Okay, you see this, it is add a duplicate. So this is already I have. So I hope guys you like this tutorial. I hope guys you like this tutorial, and I hope you guys like this video also. Okay, so thanks for watching guys. Any problem in this video, any problem in this tutorial, please comment us. We reply as fast as possible. Okay, so thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe our channel for more tutorials. Please subscribe our channel for more tutorials in programming language, okay, and hacking as well. So thanks for watching guys. Have a nice day.